Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to evolve Palmon in Palmon Survival. Evolving a Palmon in Palmon Survival requires first unlocking the evolution feature, which becomes available as you progress and upgrade your camp or base to a certain level. Not all Palmon can evolve, so check each Palmon's top left icon to see if evolution is possible. For those that can evolve, you'll need specific resources, evolution essence, and the required elemental energy which can be earned through battles, events, or map progression. Each evolution also depends on the Palmon star's level, which you increase using fragments or tokens specific to that Palmon. As you collect fragments, the star meter fills, lighting up each section until the full star is achieved. Higher star levels, camp upgrades unlock further evolution potential. Before confirming evolution, the game shows you the resource requirements, evolution effects, and preview of upgrade stats. By gathering the necessary materials and meeting the requirements, you can successfully evolve your Pamon and enhance its abilities. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.